welcome you all to my channel Sanguine S, and today I'm going to review McGuffin Coffee Body Scrub, McGuffin Coffee Body Butter. We'll give quick demo of that and we'll give tips for body polishing at home. So I'm making this video after the use of the product for almost 2 months, and before we begin I like to put disclaimer that this video is not sponsored and all my opinions are absolutely honest. So let's begin with the review of the product. So the first product is M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrub. This quantity is 100 gram and the price of this bottle is 449. This is suitable for oily, normal to oily skin, and this is SLS free, paraben free, dermatologically tested. And this is the scrub. If I'll show you. It comes with this spatula, so which is really very good. And see, I used almost half of the tub. um, so this is the scrub. If I show, yeah. So if I'll talk about the key ingredients of this product, so coffee is the key ingredient of this product, and in this they use the Arabica coffee, which is Arabica coffee is very good to exfoliate, smooth, and polish your skin and to reduce the cellulite. And second ingredient in this is the caffeine, where caffeine is also very good in toning and purifying your skin. Third ingredient in this is the coconut oil. Coconut oil is also very good to reduce the stretch mark, to soften the skin. So it works, it exfoliates dead skin cells and helps get rid of blackheads, tans, and impurity. So it polishes your skin and deep cleans your pores. So skin becomes soft and glowing. One thing I like about this product, it doesn't dry out of the skin. If you use a normal scrub for your body or for your face, you'll feel little dry after the use of that product. But after using this product, I didn't feel any dryness. So I would like to give the 5 out of 5 for this scrub. I really like this product, and I'm using it once in a week, but it says that twice a week. So yeah, just a small note: do not use it. Do not use this scrub for the face because it has a little bit big granules, so which can harm your face skin. So the second product I'm going to talk about is Caffeine Choco Body Butter. So this is of 250 gram and it price 645. It is suitable for all skin type. This is also SLS free, paraben free, FDA approved, and dermatologically tested. Key ingredients of this cocoa butter is caffeine, argan oil, and the vitamin E. As I already told, that caffeine reduce the puffiness and it tones your skin. Argan oil, everybody knows that it hydrates, it's give glow to your skin or you glow to your hair. And third ingredient in this is a vitamin E, which nourishes your skin, which soft your skin, which supple your skin. And the main ingredient in this is a cocoa butter. Cocoa butter deeply nourish your skin, hydrates your skin. So this is about the cocoa butter. Now let's see quickly see the demo of the product. So first what you need to do, you just need to wet your body. Take enough quantity of the body scrub and just apply that on your body and scrub it in a circular motion for a few minutes. You have to give the main focus to your elbow, knees, neck, underarms. So, wherever our skin gets usually more darker, so that area we need to focus little more. We have to give a little few more seconds we have to give to that area. Just scrub it, rub it in a circular motion. After that, just wash it off and just do pat dry. And after that, use this body butter. This combination is really very nice. I am in love with this product. I really like to using this once in a week. I really feel very fresh after doing this body polishing at home. So next we are going to move the important part of our video, that is the tips. Yes, if you are finding it little bit costly, you can make your own scrub at home. And what you just need to do, any coffee, whichever coffee is available in your home, just mix it with the little bit of the coconut oil or any body oil, and just put little bit curd and use it. It's really very nice homemade scrub. Before using this I was using that only. So that was also good. Second tip is, just before scrub, just little massage your body with any of the available body oil, and that combination gives more good result. First body oiling, after that body scrubbing, after that body butter. So that combination is all whole body polishing. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you all, love you all, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.